Hello, this is Mr. Chinnery at Mr. Chinnery's Emporium. Today we're going to show you how to cook a good, effective, budget ramen bowl. Your ingredients: a steak which has been seasoned with salt and pepper, garlic and ginger, onions, red peppers, mushrooms, secret spice mix, soy sauce, fish sauce. And then for your garnish we've got pak choy, radishes, sweet peas, spring onion and a soft boiled egg. That's your beef steak, nicely marbled and seasoned, and it's been out of the refrigerator for 30 minutes. We'll bob it on here and you get a little sizzle. So to start with, you get your steak cooking, and while that's cooking it gives you time to do all the other bits. Then what we do, we put the wok on and we get some oil. You bang that in and you wait for it to get a bit hot. In the meantime, you can put your onions in while it's getting hot anyway, and your peppers. Starting to sizzle. Then you've got your fish sauce and your soy sauce. Let's get it nicely coated. And your garlic and ginger paste. So you give that a bit of a stir and just let it do its thing. Well, this is doing its thing. You want your steak to be rare to medium. And it'll keep cooking in the broth. So you don't have to worry about being cooked too much. If you want to do it cheaper, you can just use vegetables, chicken, pork, human flesh. So this now is coming up to the boil, look. So what we do next is you add your mushrooms. And this is the secret spice mix. It's got in it. Bang all of that in. Give that a stir until it all combines together. Then what you want to do is have just some ramen noodles ready, and this is in the chicken broth. Let me put that in as well. Mix it together. Mixy, mixy, tixy licks. Get your pak choy because you want this to be slightly softened, and just lay it on top. Then once again, turn your meat over, which is looking very nice, isn't it, James?
Very nice.
Very nice. We were wow. And believe it or not, we're nearly there. As long as this is still on. Until then, we get our bowl and put the steak in here. If you overcook it, it'll be like Chinese steak. It'll be rubbery. Chef's pet. Right. So that is a steak noodle bowl. And quite simply, do this. Don't worry about presentation too much because you're going to eat it. Then you finish it off. Spring onions. pea shoots. A nice big clump of fresh basil. Some radishes. A boiled egg. And then you've got your sriracha mayo. And your garlic mayo. Easy as that. There you go.